Hello, my love. This is me, Anjali, and I hope you all are doing really well. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about experiences, how we actually see experiences. Okay, let's get started. So, I was someone few months back very eager. When this new experience gonna come to me? When I'm gonna experience new things? When I'm gonna experience this or that? But what was I overlooking and what was happening in my life is that I was not able to focus on my day to day life. Life is not just about the experiences itself. It's about living those days which look normal to you. Because most part of our lives contain that normal days, right? We get to experience things sometimes not, on and off, right? It's not like constant. What is constant are those normal days. But if we keep our head if we keep thinking about experiences, that's all life is all about. No, not at all. Those experiences come to your life to grow you in a certain way, to put you into a certain position, to get out of you from a certain position. Those are the actual reasons why you experience things. Yeah. Experiences help you transform into something else. And some most of the times we put expectation. Yeah, it's normal for us human beings, but yeah, let me just say it. We as a human being, we as an individual put expectation on few on whatever experiences to make us feel certain way. But remember one thing, expectation Varna is not just for you to use towards people. Do not expect from that people they are gonna betray you or whatever. That's not only the point of expectation when we talk about. Expectation has a variety of things to be looked upon. Expectations is universal, like used for everything. Do not expect experiences to make you feel certain way. How you feel should come from within. Yeah, those experiences do hold a power on you a little if you allow them to be. It's all on you at the end of the day. So where was I just forgot. Whatever. So the thing is now, तुम जो एक्सपीरियंसेस से एक्सपेक्ट करते हो ना, कूदते रहते हो कि कब नया एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा मुझे, कब नया एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा मुझे, और उस ख्याल में खो जाते हो और भूल जाते हो कि तुम्हारी एक ज़िंदगी है जो नॉर्मल डे टू डे लाइफ है, वो कितनी ब्यूटीफुल है. It is meant to be lived and not only just the few experiences that you will obviously get to experience no matter what, because they are here to transform you. So stop attaching yourself to experiences, to experiencing new things. Yeah, they will come. Obviously, you will experience. It is bound to happen. But to put that experience on a pedestal is an idiotic thing, to be honest. Is idiotic. For you to feel a certain way, you're putting that expectation towards experience, certain experience. It's idiotic. How you are gonna feel is all on you. Every normal day that you say, I don't like normal days, change your perspective. It has to be changed. Otherwise, you will have to change, to be honest. If अगर तुम हो ना, जेन्युइनली बोली, अगर तुम हो, बिकॉज आई वाज समवन लाइक दैट. आई हेटेड normal days. I want to experience this, ye wo, but no, that's not at all about. That's not it actually. The way I'm enjoying my normal days are, it's so beautiful, to be honest. It's like, wow, this is the thing that I was missing in myself. And when you feel actually experience those normal days start to feel so peace, so full of calmness, so it it will start feeling special to you, those normal days as well. And it's not for those people who can't relate to this thing, like, it is for those who sees na, they want to experience, and they put that experience on a pedestal, and they forgot that they have a normal life, not normal days as well. Those are supposed to be lived with full heart as well. They forgot that, and just cry about it, get frustrated on normal days, and can't focus on things until the experiences comes like that. If it's for those people, please ground yourself to the present. Those normal days are beautiful as well. It's just you who is overlooking those days. Those days hold profound energies as well. You are the one who is overlooking those things, just in the hope of experiencing new things that they will make you feel certain way. Yeah, they will, but those normal days hold good things as well that you are overlooking. तुम खुद ही सोचो ना, वो जो एक्सपीरियंसेस आएंगे हर रोज़ तो नहीं आएंगे ना, मे बी फॉर अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. तो जो नॉर्मल डेज़ है, जो बस जीते हैं हम खुशी से, वो तो ज़्यादा टाइम स्पैम होता है ना उसका. तो तुम क्या वो ज़्यादा टाइम स्पैम वाला जो समय है वो बस उस ख्वाब में ही बिता दोगे कि एक्सपीरियंस कब आएगा, और उतने सारे टाइम को तुम वेस्ट कर दोगे. दैट्स सच एनी stupid thing a human can do, that I was doing myself, but not anymore. I got that thing in my mind. I got to understand about those things. कैसे मुझे समझ आया, बात ये है ना, आप समझोगे तो नहीं, कैसे समझ आया? When I consciously chose to live those normal days with discipline, hopefulness, mindfulness, with choose करना पड़ता है, right? You have to choose it consciously. To enjoy your normal day as well, you have to choose it consciously. और ना, बस यही बोलना था. या इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो यार, आज की वीडियो में इतना ही रखते हैं, अगली वीडियो में बात करते हैं. So yeah, let's keep it till here. Bye my love. Don't forget to spread love, peace and kindness in this world, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. कितनी बार मैंने बोल दिया next video. Okay, bye. I love you.